Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for constipation that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Nature's Recipe Grain-Free Salmon, Sweet Potato and Pumpkin Recipe Dry Dog Food. Nature's Recipe Grain-Free Salmon, Sweet Potato and Pumpkin Recipe takes the spotlight for its exceptional quality and nutritional benefits tailored to support dogs experiencing constipation. Crafted by expert nutritionists with over 40 years of experience, this dry dog food combines real salmon as its primary ingredient. It delivers a high-quality protein source that sustains muscle strength, vital for your furry friend's overall well-being. Moreover, this carefully formulated recipe enriches your dog's diet with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids from salmon, promoting lustrous skin and a shiny coat, while antioxidants like zinc and vitamin E bolster the immune system. Taurine is added to ensure heart health remains a top priority. We picked Nature's Recipe Grain-Free Salmon, Sweet Potato and Pumpkin as our #1 choice because it addresses specific dietary needs without compromising on flavor or nutritional value. Moving on at number 4, we have the ACANA Singles Limited Ingredient Grain-Free High Protein Dry Dog Food. ACANA Singles Limited Ingredient Dry Dog Food shines as our #2 pick for dog owners seeking a solution to their pet's digestive woes. With its high-quality beef and pumpkin recipe, this grain-free dog food goes beyond the norm by offering a blend that is not only rich in protein, but also specially formulated with fiber-rich vegetables like sweet potato and pumpkin. These ingredients work together seamlessly to aid in healthy digestion, making it an excellent choice for dogs prone to constipation or with sensitive stomachs. This product stands out due to its thoughtful formulation: 65% premium beef combined with 35% nutritious fruits, vegetables, and added vitamins and minerals, alongside supporting digestive health. The omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids contribute to radiant skin and a glossy coat, while antioxidant-rich components boost your dog's immune system. At number 3, we have the Cesar Classic Loaf and Sauce Adult Wet Dog Food. Cesar Adult Wet Dog Food Classic Loaf stands out for its ease of use and nutritional value, making it a great choice for pet owners seeking quality meals for their dogs. Each 3.5 tray is designed with an easy peel seal, ensuring convenience during meal preparation without the mess associated with traditional dog food packaging. The variety pack features real chicken, turkey, or duck, catering to the preferences of even the most discerning pups and providing them with a rich source of protein. What sets this product apart is its grain-free formula, which is filled with vitamins and minerals essential for adult dog maintenance. It's especially beneficial in managing digestive health, which can be a concern for dogs suffering from constipation. By incorporating Cesar Adult Wet Dog Food into your pet's diet, you're not just offering them a meal they'll love, but also contributing to their overall well-being. At number 2, we have the Blue Buffalo True Solutions Digestive Care Natural Dry Dog Food. Blue Buffalo True Solutions Blissful Belly stands out as a top choice for dog owners seeking a solution to support their furry friend's digestive health. This adult dry dog food is crafted with real chicken as the #1 ingredient, ensuring that your pet receives high-quality protein. Notably designed in the USA using natural ingredients without any chicken or poultry byproduct meals, corn, wheat, soy, artificial flavors, or preservatives. It promotes not just gut health, but also supports the immune system thanks to its antioxidant-rich life source bits. The inclusion of clinically proven prebiotic fiber in Blue Buffalo's digestive care formula highlights its effectiveness in maintaining stool quality and overall digestive wellness. Dog owners will appreciate knowing that they are feeding their pets a diet that is both nutritious and gentle on the stomach. Personal accounts from users have noted visible improvements in their dog's digestion and energy levels after switching to this formula, making it clear why Blue Buffalo True Solutions Blissful Belly has become a trusted option for providing compassionate care through nutrition. And finally, at number 1, We have the Purina Pro Plan High Protein Dog Food with Probiotics for Dogs. Purina Pro Plan High Protein Dog Food with Probiotics delivers a punch of high-quality protein with real chicken as its first ingredient, making it a top choice for dog owners looking to enhance their pet's digestive health and combat constipation. The unique blend of hard kibble and tender, shredded pieces offers a satisfying texture that dogs can't resist, providing not just a meal, but an enjoyable eating experience. This formula is bolstered by guaranteed live probiotics aimed at strengthening the digestive and immune systems, ensuring your furry friend stays as healthy inside as they look on the outside. Besides supporting gut health, this Purina Pro Plan variety shines in promoting overall wellness with essential nutrients like vitamin A and omega-6 fatty acids specifically included to nourish skin and coat. Numerous dog owners have noticed significant improvements in their pet's skin condition and energy levels since switching to this food. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.